The demand for women's running shoes has soared as more runners seek maximum comfort, joint protection, and versatile performance for everything from road miles to daily cross-training. Choosing the ideal pair requires balancing soft landings with energetic responsiveness. This guide evaluates top footwear based on midsole cushioning tech, arch support, upper breathability, outsole traction, and long-term value.
Product number 1. Best overall pick. Hoka Women's Clifton 9 Running Shoe. The Hoka Clifton 9 earns our top overall recommendation for women seeking the ultimate blend of lightweight comfort and plush shock absorption. Hoka revamped this fan favorite by adding 3 millimeters of stack height, the amount of shoe material between your foot and the ground, while actually reducing the overall weight. The result is a cloud-like ride that protects your joints during long road runs, treadmill sessions, or 12-hour work shifts on hard floors. At the core of the Clifton 9 is a compression-molded EVA foam midsole paired with Hoka's signature early-stage meta-rocker geometry. This curved sole design propels your foot forward naturally, reducing ankle strain and facilitating smooth heel-to-toe transitions. The re-engineered mesh upper is exceptionally breathable, featuring a plush heel collar, streamlined tongue, and reflective heel panel for early morning or evening visibility. Outsole durability is boosted with strategic high-abrasion rubber pods that grip pavement without adding unnecessary weight. The shoe provides a balanced, neutral platform that supports natural foot motion without forcing intrusive correction. Whether you are training for a half marathon or logging daily steps, the Clifton 9 delivers reliable, fatigue-busting performance from the first mile to the last.
Product number 2. Brooks Women's Ghost Max 3 Neutral Running and Walking Shoe. If you want maximum protection against joint impact without sacrificing stability, the Brooks Ghost Max 3 is a standout performer. Built on a generous, wide platform, this max cushion trainer packs a high stack height featuring Brooks nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 foam. Despite the thick underfoot cushioning, the shoe maintains excellent neutral stability thanks to its broad base and sculpted heel bevel. Brooks Ghost Max 3. Source: Outdoor Gear Lab. The defining feature of the Ghost Max 3 is its integrated glide roll rocker, which actively assists your foot through every stride. This smooth rolling motion minimizes stress on your big toe joint and ankles, making it an ideal option for runners recovering from plantar fasciitis or those who spend long hours standing on concrete. The updated double jacquard mesh upper provides a refined forefit fit, enhanced breathability, and padded touch points around the ankle collar. With a 6 millimeter drop and a heavy-duty rubber outsole designed to easily pass the 500-mile mark, the Ghost Max 3 is engineered for maximum longevity. It handles easy recovery jogs, long weekend walks, and daily errands with equal grace. For women seeking a protective, rockered ride that feels deeply forgiving underfoot, Brooks has delivered a top-tier daily trainer.
Product number 3. Asics Women's Gel Nimbus 27 Running Shoes. For runners who prioritize luxurious, pillowy softness above all else, the Asics Gel Nimbus 27 sits in a class of its own. Featuring a towering 42.5mm heel stack, this version packs even more FF Blast Plus Eco Foam into the midsole, yielding an ultra-plush, shock-absorbing ride that softens every footfall on hard pavement. Asics Gel Nimbus 27. Source: Mr. Running Shop. Hidden beneath the heel lies Asics Pure Gel technology, which absorbs harsh impacts far better than traditional EVA foams. Complementing the cloud-like underfoot feel is a re-engineered jacquard mesh upper and a signature stretchy knit tongue that wraps around your midfoot like a custom sock. Asics also listened to runner feedback by widening the toe box on the Nimbus 27, offering welcome wiggle room for toe spray on longer distance efforts. Underneath, the Asics Grip Rubber outsole delivers impressive traction across wet and dry road surfaces while resisting premature wear. It is worth noting that at roughly 9.3 ounces, the Nimbus 27 prioritizes protection over explosive speed, making it best suited for easy recovery miles, daily base building, and long-distance comfort. If you want maximum plushness for your joints, this shoe is pure bliss.
Product number 4. New Balance Women's 608 V5 Casual Comfort Cross Trainer. While dedicated running shoes excel on straight-line pavement, cross-training requires lateral stability and durable all-around support.
The New Balance 608 V5 remains an iconic choice for women who want a versatile athletic shoe capable of handling gym workouts, low-impact cardio, agility drills, and long walking sessions. Constructed with a premium leather upper and synthetic overlays, the 608 V5 provides a structured, supportive fit that holds your foot securely during multi-directional movements. Underfoot, New Balance incorporates AB Zorb heel crash pad technology, a blend of foam and rubber that absorbs heavy impacts, alongside a lightweight injection-molded EVA foam midsole. Dual-density collar foam prevents rubbing around the ankle bones, while a smooth phantom liner minimizes internal friction and hot spots. The durable rubber outsole is non-marking and features flexible grooves that allow your foot to bend naturally. Available in standard, wide, and extra-wide sizing options, the 608 V5 is particularly popular among women with hard-to-fit feet or those who require rigid structure for orthotics. It offers unmatched value and durability for all-day active wear.
Product number 5. New Balance Fresh Foam Arishi V4 Women's Running Shoe. For runners seeking lightweight comfort without a premium price tag, the New Balance Fresh Foam Arishi V4 offers incredible value. Weighing in at a feather-light 6.8 ounces, this minimalist neutral shoe delivers a nimble, effortless feel that won't weigh you down during quick jogs or active daily routines. At the heart of the Arishi V4 is New Balance's precision-engineered fresh foam midsole. This single piece of foam provides soft, springy cushioning under the heel and forefoot, taking the sting out of sidewalk impacts while remaining responsive. The upper consists of a breathable mesh fabric reinforced with sleek no-sew overlays, offering targeted midfoot lockdown without adding stiffness or bulk. With a versatile 6mm heel-to-toe drop and a durable rubber outsole pattern that grips indoor treadmills and outdoor asphalt alike, the Arishi V4 bridges the gap between performance running and casual athleisure. It is an ideal pick for beginners, casual treadmill runners, or anyone who wants a stylish, comfortable everyday sneaker that easily doubles as a light workout shoe.
Product number 6. Ryka Women's Influence Cross Trainer. Unlike unisex shoes scaled down in size, the Ryka Influence is designed from the ground up specifically for female foot anatomy. Utilizing Ryka's Q-Tech engineering, this trainer features a narrower heel, a roomier toe box, and contoured arch support tailored to match a woman's broader hip-to-knee angle, Q angle. While capable of handling light treadmill runs, the Influence truly shines in high-impact group fitness, dance cardio, HIIT, and step workouts. The lightweight EVA midsole incorporates an anatomical insole that cushions heavy landings and supports high arches. The breathable synthetic and mesh upper includes supportive synthetic overlays that keep your midfoot secure during quick lateral cuts and jumping jacks. The standout feature of the Ryka Influence is its spin-friendly rubber outsole, which features an integrated forefoot pivot point. This specialized smooth circle allows for effortless 360-degree rotations during dance routines without catching on gym floors or twisting your knees. At just 7.2 ounces per shoe, it is a top recommendation for women who mix cardio workouts with studio fitness classes.
Choosing the right shoe comes down to where and how you move. If you are logging road miles or standing on your feet all day, max cushion road shoes like the Hoka Clifton 9, Brooks Ghost Max 3, or Asics Gel Nimbus 27 deliver maximum joint relief. For budget-friendly versatility, the New Balance Arishi V4 provides a lightweight, responsive feel.